In this video, I will be showing you how to create a custom playlist cover in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading to the search bar on the templates page and typing in playlist cover. As the results load, I can browse through a variety of pre-made designs for inspiration. But for this project, I want to create something unique. I'll click the plus sign to start with a blank playlist cover canvas. Now, I'll open the Elements tab and search for the word pastel. I'll select this soft pink gradient graphic to use as my background. I'll drag the corners of the image to resize it until it completely fills the square canvas. Next, I'll go back to the Elements search and type in cassette tape. I'm looking for a retro feel, so I'll select this colorful pastel cassette and place it in the center. I'll scale it down slightly to make room for more graphics. I'll go back to the search bar and look for a pastel book. I'll choose this cute, open book with a smiley face and add it to my design. Since I want it to sit behind the tape, I'll right-click the book, go to the Layer menu, and select Send Backward. Now I can adjust the size and position of both the book and the cassette until they are perfectly centered. It's time to add some text, so I'll create a text box and type the word Study. I'll open the font menu and scroll through the options until I find a stylish script font that matches the aesthetic. I'll move that toward the top and then add a second text box for the word playlist. I want this font to be a bit more modern, so I'll select a clean, bold style. After positioning it under the first word, I'll go to the spacing tool and increase the letter spacing to give it a more airy, professional look. I'll do one final check on the alignment, and my design is complete. Now you have a beautiful custom cover ready for your favorite playlist.